Hey guys, have you ever thought how the rich manage to pay less tax than the rest of us? Like seriously, we work hard, pay what we owe, and somehow they're paying less?
Well, it's not magic. It's not illegal either. It's all about knowing how the system works and using it smartly.
In this video, we're breaking it down in a super simple way. No complicated terms, no lectures, just real strategies the rich use to lower their taxes, legally. So yeah, grab a moment, stay with us, because this stuff, it's actually eye-opening.
And hey, if you find this helpful, go ahead and like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Thanks for watching.